Okay, let's try this one more time. So I have this ball here, circle, and all I want to do is maybe move it to the other end of the screen. Okay, so what you could do is always you can go right click and copy. You can go, these are your options. Insert keyframe basically copies and pastes the same drawing. Okay, so if I come over here and go insert keyframe, it just copied the same drawing. Okay, now I want to move this out to the other side, right? So if I hold shift and right click, let's say somewhere like that, moves here. Okay, so we have two keys right now, two drawings, basically this one and this one. Okay, going from here to here. What if I want to go back, right? I can go copy this time, go to this frame here, make sure you're inside in the blue and press paste. And watch what happens. You copied that one because you were here, you copied it, okay? Pasted it. So we have three keys, 1, 2, 3. All right, so watch this now. I put onion skinning on. This is what I have, beginning, middle, end. So beginning, middle on the right side, and end is where it kind of started. So beginning and end are the same thing, right? So what we want to do is keep these for maybe 2 frames, right? So what do? You can press this right here, come over here and press the vertical bar, which is right there. F5, extend keyframes, right? So if I click on that, boom. So this is going to be good for 2 frames. This one, if I want to stay for 2 frames, I'm going to press the same thing, the vertical line here, which is F5. And here, I'm going to press F5 as well. Okay, that part is pretty good. So we have boom, boom, boom. It's still a fraction of a second, which is 24 frames per second. Okay. Now, what I want to do is copy this and just bring it over a bit. So I want to ease out and ease in, okay? So I want it slowly out of the train, basically, out of the train station. So if I grab this here, and what can I do here? What if I press this button? What does this do? Oh, it gives me the same keyframe, right? Now, if I grab this and press shift right click, see? Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna come over here. Okay, insert keyframe. I hope it did it. It didn't do it. Let me do this again. I click on this and click on insert. Why is it popping over there? Oh, because it didn't do anything. Okay, so if I go right click, insert keyframe, and try it this way. Is there another one? Oh, maybe. Okay, so I'm just gonna come out a bit like this. So it goes slowly out. And I don't know how this one ended up here. So 3, something went wrong. So 1, 2. I'm gonna extend these. 1 sec. 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, which is here, and then I want 4 to be way over here. Okay, so slowly out. Okay, and what I can do is I can select these 2 here and drag it over, and I have all this empty space here. Okay, so now I'm giving an opportunity, it's an open circle, to copy and paste something. So if I go here, copy, come over here, paste, there. Now what I can do is take this somewhere in the middle, like that, by holding shift. Okay, so what do we got here? So slowly out into this, okay? So what I could do now is, I want to have the same idea on the other side. So a bunch of these to the left of it. So slowly goes into that spot, okay? Let's see how we can do it. I can go to frame 9. I can go empty keyframe. Okay, so you can see now if I scrub over it, it's empty, right? So what if I come here and go copy? All right, I'll go to frame 9, paste. And then this time I'm just gonna go somewhere here. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here and do the same thing, boom. And it didn't do it. Why? Sometimes this works, sometimes this doesn't. Okay, well, let's try the old way. Copy. Okay. And I'm gonna go over here, insert a blank keyframe, and then paste. It's going all the wrong places. Okay. So this second one, I want it to be over here. Like that. Okay, so basically we're doing the same thing on this side. Let's see. And I want each one to hold for 2 frames. So I'm gonna click, which is basically an F5. All right, so look. So if I press this, and I'll take off the onion skinning. See? All right, there. Okay, so this is the middle, and this is approaching pretty fast. Like it's like half a second animation right now. Okay, so that's slow out, and this is slow into this position. Boom. And I'm gonna put onion skin just to make sure everything's okay, yeah. So this one is right there. This one is a bit, I'm gonna move it over a bit. And then this one is right there. Okay, cool. That's my drawings. Those are my frames. And of course, I can create one in between these two. So I need to know where this is and where this one is, right? So if I come in here and go insert blank keyframe, I lost that other one, right? Okay, fair enough. So now I'm gonna come over here, copy this, copy, and then go right here, paste, come on, there. Okay, and I'm gonna go shift, right in between the two, something like that. All right, cool. And again, I wanna hold this for 2 frames, bang, right there, hold for 2 frames, done. Now between this green one and this one, right, let's find them. It's right here, this is here, the next one is there, right, right there. So I wanna come over here, let's see what else we can do. If I heard insert keyframe, and it's that one, right, shift, this one worked, right in between the two. However, what I want to do now is add it, extend the time by 1 frame. Boom. Okay, now let's go and see everything. Okay. Return. So slow out and then slow in to the end. Okay? That's what we just did. All right? Like that. Okay. If I want to hold this for 4 frames, watch. Boom. Boom. Right? Or I can go 4. I can go, let's make this one 3. This one 3. Now you're playing with timing. This one will be 3 frames. I only work 2, 4, 6, and 8s, but I'm just messing around here, okay? So this one, let's start with this one. Make that into 3. This one into 3 frames. So you see, you're just adding frames right here, okay? Now we ended up to be, I want it to be at 25 to be 1 second. So we'll go something like that. So let's watch it now. Let's return. All right, so that's not bad. Okay, whatever, that's just what it is. Okay, file, export. I want you to go here, export video, video media. However, what I'd like you to do is on your computers, open up Media Encoder for this to work. And I'm gonna call, I haven't even saved this. Test demo. I don't know if this will work. Okay, might have done it. Not sure. Okay, so I have a, let me just go save. I'm gonna go into 2D animation. I'm gonna call this test demo _01. I'm gonna say 01, ease out, _ease in. Something like that. Okay, so if I do this one more time, and somewhere is there ME here? Yes, so this is open. So now if I go here, file, export, come on, bingo, this should work now. Let's see, what did I call this? Ease in, ease out, good, good, export. Okay, all right. So somewhere over here, I might have that folder open, rubrics, Maya. Let's get out of that desktop. Be right back. Where's the grade 10 folder? Grade 11. There it is. It's coming up. Let's double check. Come on. It should be, if I go here and I go by kind and date, today. Let's see. Move this up here. Nice. Nice and slow. Boom. Okay, that works for me. Good stuff. 1 second of animation. How long did it take me to demo this? A long, long time. All right, because I'm not using tweens on purpose. I just want this to be frame by frame. You guys choose what's happening. Okay, Balian out.